the point. It's very good couple. Date والطحينة.
Because here, guys, they love to eat the dates with tahina. And this one is like tahina. Tahini. But dried. Because tahina also are made of sesame. But usually they add it to cooking. Not as sweets. Right?
To make it salad, you can eat it like this with honey. Not honey, with molasses. You know molasses?
Molasses, yeah.
You can eat it with molasses. You can eat it with many things. With fish. You can eat it with honey.
So, nabusog na naman tayo, guys, sa ating breakfast. I eat a lot today again. So, I will not lose tomorrow. Lose weight tomorrow. But it's okay. We lose next time again and again. So we still have egg with the boiled egg. Okay. So I will put my boiled egg here. Okay. I will just wipe it. No need to wash. Just wipe with tissue. So we'll eat it later, guys. So this one is empty. So khalas. We'll wash it. This one is empty. There's still some. Why you didn't finish? Okay, we'll finish the tomato with the Baba, give me the labna. The cover. I put it back in the fridge. So, ilagay natin sa fridge, guys. Hindi tayo nakaubos. With your bread, Papa. The bread. So, we'll not throw this one, guys. We'll keep it later. Yes, like that. For to eat. Okay. This is the Egyptian bread, guys. Egyptian bread. So, we'll cover it later. I have to remove this so we can wash it. Okay. So, Baba, give me your plate. Come, give me. Aywa. Guys, so that's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow. I love you. I love you. Will always. Okay, because let's not show the Hershey's brand, or else they will let us pay the branding. No sponsor for Hershey's. Winner. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Watch on my YouTube shorts. Bye. You're far away.